A few weeks ago, I won a giveaway on Ian is a Weirdo's channel, and Mommy, a fellow YouTuber, donated this prize, and then she also included some other goodies, and I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I know what one thing is, but I don't know what else is in here, so let's go ahead and take a look. I'm so excited. Okay, I have my box open. Let's see what's in here. Wow, look at all this stuff. Holy mackerel. That's a lot of stuff. Whoa. Let's see here. So she included these cool stickers, Hard Beauty, and then this says Grinny Pig. So Hard Beauty is Amy's business, and she is a peer recovery and life coach. That's really awesome, Amy. And then she enclosed some more cute little stickers. Thank you so much. Then she included some little cards with affirmations. Look at these cable needles for knitting. Ooh, how exciting. And then, oh wow, look at these stitch markers. Holy cow. Look at these beautiful stitch markers. With a little skull on there. So cute. Love that. Thank you so much, Amy. If you haven't checked out Mommy's channel, Amy's channel, here's another one. So cool. I will go ahead and link it in the description box down below so you can subscribe to her. She has a lot of yarny content, a lot of crochet. So let's go ahead and see what else is in here. She included some Color Street nail strips for St. Patrick's Day. How cool. I've never tried these before. I've always wanted to. Now let's see what this is. You did not. Oh my God, that is beautiful. This is Yarn Bee Authentic Hand Dyed Nosy Posy yarn. Oh my gosh. Look at this gorgeous yarn. Oh my gosh, I can't believe she just sent me this. I did not win this. This is not what I won. She just sent me this. That is so nice. This is absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm so excited. That is so awesome. And let's see what else is in here. Oh boy, I feel something. It feels like more yarn. What? Another hank of yarn? Wow, that is beautiful. Look, it matches my shirt. Oh my God. This is another one called Turquoise Sky. Oh, thank you so much. That is just beautiful. This is a superwash merino. Oh, wow. This looks like a 3-weight. Maybe even a 2. Very beautiful. And this one, it looks like this one I would say is probably a 3-weight. And then I think there's one more in here. Oh, I've got 2. I can make something so pretty with this. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you so, so much. I haven't been buying yarn lately, and this is just what the doctor ordered. You are so sweet. Thank you so much. Now, let's take a look at this. This is something that she made. Amy made this herself. This is a beautiful, let me move the box. This is a beautiful little crop top in a rainbow pattern. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, is that beautiful? And look at the sleeves. Ooh, how pretty. I just love this. Thank you so much, Amy. I'm so excited. This is what I won from Ian, from Ian's giveaway. And I was not expecting all of the extra goodies. I am just taken aback by this. So thank you so much, Amy. And make sure that you go check out Mommy's channel, and you will enjoy it. And I am going to enjoy this yarn and my new little top and all my other goodies. If you like this video, make sure you check out this one right here, and I'll see you in the next video.